So I saw your question on discussion board. Yeah, you want to find the critical values. And you notice the z here. So seeing the z, I know it's going to be talking about the normal distribution. Find the critical values in the rejection region for this type of z test. So it's two-tailed and alpha's 0.04, the level of significance. So I'm going to use StatCrunch. You can use a calculator or do it with a table. So you open StatCrunch, you click on Stat, and then Calculators, and I open the normal calculator. Click on Normal. By default, it'll be on Standard. Since we're doing, two-tailed, I clicked on Between. And so you leave the mean and 0, standard deviation is 1. Notice in the area in the red, what's in red is the complement of this. And so we need to put in this red area and find, the total area under the curve is 1. So we need to do 1 minus 0.04. And so we enter 0.96 here. And then we click compute and it gives you the two critical values, plus and minus 2.054. And the rejection region would be what's in the white. Okay. Now, if you were doing the left to right tailed test, you would just use this value. But if you're doing two-tailed test, it changes what, the area between the critical values is what you need to put in, or the complement of alpha. Hope this helps.